रिपब्लिक डे परेड 19 का सिटीजन आपकी निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान। को मन से गुजरने की अनुमति प्रदान करें श्रीमान।
And next we have Indian Reserve Battalion, IRB. Is Manipur Police, Chandel, and followed by Village Defense Force Chandel, VDF Chandel, NCC contingent, United College Lambung National Cadet Corps contingent. And next we have NCC girls from Southeast Manipur College, Semco NCC girls, Government Higher Secondary School, Jaffo. Coming to the saluting badge is NCC Maha Union Government Higher Secondary School girls. Badge is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya NCC contingents. And followed by Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya boys. Coming to the saluting badge is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya girls contingents. Residential School Mantri Pantha boys contingents. Mathang Lapiduna Chandel, Class 10 Vivakwa Changling High School Boseng,
Chandel.
Yamnamaru livelihood sector sector sida nauna handak Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission Lakpire Haraga Khun Singda self-help group semkalakpagi adugumba thingna birambani akhoi gi makhada paikalakpa self-help group ki makhada lokhalakpa activities mayam amasu yauri aina samlapna ama ani panjabagi wani education ki field da pen number tanthokpa apa number generate tawba mama mapa oiba singna isa singi like laisu tambe isa singi adugumba registration si tawbirabra tawbidribra haibadu mamuta na khangnana ba education gi counter da chatpiu samlaba certificate amadagi horaga maroiba service khuding mak khangning ba khuding mak koi ngasi yamna chamba mongda Maha Union Government Higher Secondary School gi ground sida laijariba school gi veranda song set sida koi stall hangi stall sing sida visit tawbire haraga mayam gi service adumak lobbi haibasi thamjage